What's up, what's new? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is pretty much going to be on this look right here. This is pretty much what I am going to be thinking my mommy look will look like. This takes about 10-15 minutes. That's why it's called my quick 10-15 minute makeup look. I'm actually not having that bad of a hair day either, so I'll take it. I'll take it. Not like I'm going out anyways. I'm probably just gonna hop in the shower since it's locked down and minus, what is it, 27 degrees now? Yeah, no thank you. Anyways, let's jump into the video, shall we? I'm cramping a little bit today, guys. I don't know, this could be a time when baby wants to make its appearance. That would be really nice by now. I'm getting even more uncomfortable at night. Anyways, let's jump into this before, if I actually am having contractions, I need to stop this video, so yeah. Lip chap. Seriously. Oh, what is going on with this hair situation? We're working with it. We're working with it. So, I am going to zoom you in because this makes more sense and my mirror will not be in the way since this is my everyday, well, if I get to go outside, pretty much what I would wear outside and that. I'm not awake yet, guys. Work with me, work with me. Today is the perfect day to do a tutorial because it is freaking cold outside today. It is, what was it this morning that my boyfriend said? It was minus 45 degrees from what the car said. And then when I woke up this morning, it was minus 30? Yes, minus 30 degrees Celsius. So that cold. And I've been trying to induce labor and walking is one of the best ways to get that going. And I can't. Well, I can. I'm just being a wussy. It's just too cold outside. No. No. Anyway, so I have been hearing nonstop about this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, so I decided to try it out and get it. Very putty. It doesn't feel like gross on the skin, but definitely feels different than any other primer. And I just put that in my pore area. And on my forehead. And laugh lines, because I got those. And a little bit underneath my eyes. I honestly think that these are Braxton Hicks because I did get them on Saturday. At least I'm thinking those are Braxton Hicks because they did go away and contractions are like consistent. But they were happening every 10 minutes for maybe like 20 seconds. Foundation I'm using is nothing new. It is the Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily Skin. Still really like it. It's really nice. It looks like skin. It's not too heavy. It's the pump still. Needs a pump. Pump still? Needs a pump. Yeah, that's exactly what I was trying to say. And then just apply that with my beauty blender. Ooh, my camera is acting up. Oh, that's the reason why the light's coming through. Okay, no, I gotta fix that. Well, hopefully that works out. I really want to start trying tinted moisturizers. I don't know a really good one though. If you guys know a good recommendation of a tinted moisturizer, let me know because I don't know. I feel like it'll be quicker than putting foundation on for when I'm a mommy. Because I really just want to embrace my skin. I think I got pretty blessed with that too, is that my skin didn't do any weird reaction when I got pregnant. I've heard like some stories that people really break out, that they get these weird spots all over their faces. I got maybe a little bit more acne, but nothing serious. So that's really nice, I guess. But I have a feeling I'm gonna have to invest in myself in some good concealer too. Those under eye circles that you get. Oh my god, I look freaking white. Like, I don't look like this white in real life. It's just the way the camera's picking it up. Makes it look so cool. Ugh, so annoying. Anyways, back to concealer. I don't know what's good these days. I keep hearing about e.l.f. having a really good one that's like a dupe for Shape Tape, but I don't know if it's here in Canada. Or haven't seen it yet. And I can't get Shape Tape unless I want to pay an arm and a leg for it to be shipped here. Oh my god, my face looks so swollen. I have definitely accumulated some water weight. That is for sure. My feet, went and took the dogs for a walk and I was wondering why the hell my damn feet weren't fitting into my shoes. I looked down and honestly guys, I feel like there's a stranger in my house because those were not my feet. Like, I got cankles and that is not something I want. But I know that they'll go away. It's just because I've been constantly on my feet lately trying to induce this labor. And I have pretty much almost tried everything except for that drink that has some type of oil in it. I'm not trying that because I hear that you can go diarrhea for a while, and there's no way in hell I'm gonna be doing that. Let's do my brows next. Yeah, let's do my brows next. Dante, they're just kids. My dog loves to act like he's the bigger dog. It's actually quite funny. I just realized that I have not mentioned a couple products again. My translucent powder, I always use the L'Oreal Mercier, and then my Anastasia brow is in soft brown. I use for my eyebrows, and yeah, they're bold. Do I care? No. That's how I like them. Okay, let's put some color to this face. New product. I know, shocking. It is the Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer. I kept hearing about how awesome this product is, and oh, would you look at that? Still have the plastic on there. And I've been wanting to do stuff that looks more natural on the skin, and cream bronzer is one of them, as well as the cream blush, which I have. And this one is in Macchiotto in number 03. So I just take it on an angled brush, kabuki brush like this. This one's from Sigma. It is the F84. And I just dab. Dab, 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 dab. This stuff does blend out really nicely. I do really like it. And it does look more natural on the skin. And I only put a little bit. I don't put a lot. To me, it doesn't seem like a lot. Maybe to other people. But to me, it looks like just enough. Oh, goodness. That's the bronzer that I use. Just something soft, something light. Okay, here's another one. I honestly think that these might be Braxton Hicks. The blush I will be using is from NARS. This is the Orgasm in the liquid. I'm still learning how to play with this, so no judgment, people. I just squeeze it on the back of my hand. Take a little fiber brush, dab a little bit on there, smile, and then dab away. I know it looks like there's a lot right now, but it will blend out. Take it over with my other brush that I just used. But it is a very nice color, I will say. Still looks like I put too much on, I know. Trust me, it goes away. It blends out. Especially when I take this over top of it and then take my beauty blender over top of it. And I just put it a little bit on the corner sides of my head. Still playing around. But I do like the effects that it has on the skin a whole lot. It looks like you have a glow within instead of it sitting on there, if you get what I mean. And even still with this, like even if I put too much on, it fades. I don't know what it is with blush, but it just fades so quickly with me. It's irritating. For highlighter, I'm still using the Wet n Wild MEGAGLOW highlighter powder. I'm probably just gonna constantly keep using this only. Like I said in my last video, I got rid of a lot of my makeup, so there's not much left. For highlighter, I think I have a couple of things, but yeah, no. And also with this, what is it called? I'm having a baby brain moment. NARS Orgasm Blush. It kind of also gives you like a little bit of a glow too, so that's really nice. So with that little also microfiber brush, I am just going over top of my eyelids a little bit with whatever leftover product was there, just to add some color to my lids. Nothing too much. And then I just add some highlighter over top of that. You know I love to look glowy. Mommy look, I'm going for, what next? Lashes. So I'm debating if I'm gonna wanna put some false lashes on when I'm mommy, probably, because I got my glue back, which is so nice. This is the best glue in the entire world, guys. You need to get it. It's the House of Lashes lash glue. And they had like a deal going on where it was like a 2 for a certain price. So I ordered 4. Yeah. So I shouldn't run out for a long time, because that Duo lash glue, as much as it is a great lash glue for drugstore, I just have no patience for it. And for my mascara for my lashes though, because I'm not putting lashes on today because I'm not doing anything. I'm probably just gonna shower after this video. This YouTuber that I started to follow when I was researching a lot of mommy videos, I think her name is Milena Ciciotti or Cinciotti or Ciciotti, one of the 3. She recommended this mascara, and it is the voluminous. I can't, why can't I say this word? Why can I not say this word? Voluminous, voluminous. There we go. Lash Paradise mascara. I don't mind it. It's nice. It does the job, but I still think that my CoverGirl Lash Blast is way better than anything, so I think I'm just gonna end up going back to that. I just wanted to try some new stuff. Yeah. This doesn't change though. I freaking hate curling my lashes. Worst. Like, see, it is nice. I just don't know. I think it also, with it being a little dried out, I find mascaras work so much better when they've been dried out for a bit. Holy cow, it's been a while since I put mascara on. My lashes have gotten a little thicker. Maybe I should thank baby for that one. Moving on to lips, I am using a combo. And yes, one of them is still my NYX Creme Brulee. Like, guys, it's not leaving my everyday routine. It's sticking with me. But I've also added this Virgin liquid lipstick from Morphe. The lid fell off. But yeah, this helps keep color on. I can't do this and talk at the same time. It's a very nice color. I really do like it. It's very like neutral and kind of like my perfect nude. And if I just wanted to have just this, like, I would be totally happy with it, but I like glossy. So yeah, I just add a little bit of this puppy on there. Plus also, like, it makes me look like I have an upper lip, because I learned how to properly overline my lips to make myself look like I have something going on the top here. Oh, damn it! Got to freaking spray my face before my mascara. This is just the Morphe spray. Trying it out. I don't know if I like love it, but like it does the job. Okay guys, that is pretty much it for my mommy 10-15 minute makeup tutorial, depending how I feel that day. That's the range that this usually takes. And for my hair, I don't know. It's good. Whatever works that day is gonna work that day. Winter right now, so it probably most likely will be toques. That's it. But yeah, what can you do when you're growing out a pixie? It's a little bit, you have those awkward stages, and I'm having those awkward stages because these pieces that were like my shortest, and then here were my longest. So these pieces I've just been letting grow, and then the back pieces have been growing too, and like I said, it would have been a mullet if I didn't trim it. So yeah. Every single time. Always get the lipstick. There we go. Should have done that in the first place. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next one.